electric. This is like a lazy boy sofa.
Bro, everything. All right, y'all, WHOTUCKIS here. We got Ralph over here. Got a bunch of other Hoagies.
I posted a video.
Hey! We're at UPS right now doing a little car shoot thing. I don't know if you can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got 5 of these bad boys out here.
Something ain't feeling right. Trying to make it in this world, but this world ain't built for my kind. Struggling the consequences.
What's up, y'all? WHOTUCKIS here. The little bit that you saw in the beginning of the video, it's me hanging out with Hoagie haulers. We had like a game night. Everybody swapped cars. We drove around a parking lot. Yeah, hopefully you enjoy that. So today, what we're going to be doing is, the very first thing, we're going to fix this. These little plastic nipples, they tend to break. There's this little like grommet C thing up here. I don't know. So, got this part from mini BMW San Francisco. Just going to pop this guy in, real simple. And then, on top of that, we're going to put this wood in the back of the E34. Had this one time done in my E28, and I did a shitty job on it, but feel a little bit more confident. I know how the process goes and what I have to do to make it look good. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to do it horizontal or vertical. I'm thinking vertical because it might look better. Alright, so this nipple guy has these like weird teeth in it. When you get out, you kind of want to push it down and turn it, and then it should come out like that. You can see the thread's broken a little bit. The new one, new guy, old guy. So then you get your little screwdriver flathead, you get in here and just, you can break it. I mean, you're gonna replace it, but just get in there and Alright, that was not a fucking easy task. That's what it'll look like when you get it out. Look like your 2-year-old brother was chewing on it. You done? Cool. Well, this guy, the bottom part of it, push it in. And voila, boy. Put your fucking rusty pliers away that you will never ever use ever again. Get it up in there. Boom, done. Try not to destroy the metal up there. I'm not a carpenter, so don't take my word on this. It's going to be more of a thing where if you buy this, you're going to have to figure out exactly how to put this together. But these, I guess these are, do not quote me on this term, tongue and groove. Do a really good job and try to line everything up before you do it. This wood is very, very fragile. So get in the back and just push it in there. There you go. If you're interested in what kind of wood this is, or what kind of flooring this is, here's the part number right here. You can get it from Lowe's in the tile section. I think it was like $20 a box. And yeah, get all the swag in the back of your BMW. Or again, whatever car you have. Alright, so what you want to do is, like, once you figure out how wide it needs to be and how long it needs to be, get some kind of tape. The stickier the better. And just tape the back of it, because when you go to move it, like I just did, it's going to fall apart and hit you in the fucking lip. Make you look like an asshole in front of all your neighbors.